So this is a fantastic spot treatment using parasite cleansing herbs to kill off those bad bacteria. This is great for cystic acne. So if you've got that active acne happening and you want to kill off those bad bacteria, this is a fantastic way to do it. So first we have some honey, and honey is a natural antibacterial, so it's fantastic even on its own, but we're going to kick it up a notch with some Paravide. So this is called Paravide, and it has herbs like oregano, black walnut to really kill off those bad bacteria and those bad nasty organisms. This is going to go into my honey, and now I'm going to mix this up, and then we're going to apply it with either a Q-tip or I'm going to apply it with a makeup brush today to my skin. You're going to cover this then with a Band-Aid and let it sit overnight, and you can smell those nice aromatic herbs in here. Very good at killing off those bad guys. So if this were my acne, I would just put my little spot there and cover that up with a Band-Aid. And I'm going to let that sit overnight and acne be gone in the morning.